A very good morning to you all students. This is the third module of your chapter 4 agriculture. In the last module we discussed shifting farming and extensive farming. Today we shall discuss commercial farming and plantation farming. Commercial farming, in this type of farming, farmers grow crops on large scale for purpose of selling it in the market. Demand is an important factor in this kind of farming. Large farms are required to grow the crops and more machines are used for farming. Most of the farming is done by machines. Labor is not involved. People are not involved in the process of production. The crop like oilseeds, sugarcane, fiber crops and tobacco fall into the group of commercial farming. In Malaysia, rubber used to be a major commercial crop, but when the use of synthetic rubber increased, its demand decreased in the market. Most of the farmers switched over to growing oil palms, which has now become a more profitable crop for its industrial usage. So, in case of commercial farming, the farmers are going to grow those crops which will give them profit. The farmers or the plantation workers, they are going to grow the crops which will be more profitable. More machines are used in this kind of cropping and less of labor is required. The next topic is plantation farming. Plantation farming is carried out mostly in the tropical areas. Single crop is planted like tea, coffee. So, single crop is planted over a large area, monocropping, known as plantation. Like you find coffee in Kerala, tea in Darjeeling. Skilled or unskilled local labor is employed as farmhands. Sri Lanka and India are known for their tea states. Coffee is grown in southern part of India like Kerala. Malaysia is known for its oil palm and rubber plantation. That's all for today, students. Thank you.